Hi, welcome back to another video with Congolese dance tutorials. My name is Cece, also known as Charlie, actually born as Charlie to be quite precise, and Brian in the background. So, I hope you like our t-shirts. Yeah. Right, so today we're going to teach you a move that's been around in Congolese culture for a while. So it goes a little bit like this. Whoop! Yeah. See you in a second. So this move comes up in various music videos, so I'm just going to break it down a little bit. So, how I start, again, predominantly left, so I'm going to start my left hand. Dip. So your toes, everything, use your legs, you go dip. And then you start opposite direction. So your first move is actually the dip on the opposite direction, and then we're going to go left. So I dip on the right with my left arm. Then we're going to step right, we're going to step left, right, left. Dip, left, right, left, dip. So now, where it gets complicated is after the dip with your left hand, when you go to your left, you switch to your right hand. Yeah, let me say that again. After your dip, whoop, on the right with your left hand, you're gonna go to your left with your right hand. Let your right hand guide you, and you step with your left leg. Okay, which goes a little bit like this. So I've done whoop, left, right, left, whoop. Yeah, I'm saying whoop, but it's like a dip. Yeah. So I don't know if you noticed, but although I start with my right hand, I start to switch. So it's opposite arm, opposite leg. So I go left with my left leg and right arm. Yeah. Left, right. Now I'm using my right leg and my left arm. So pay close attention. I'll do that again. Dip, right arm. Left, right, left. Dip, right, left, right, dip. Hope that made sense. I'm going to break it up even more. Okay? So what you can see in my legs, if I'm not going to use my arms, I'm going to use my legs. So we're going to go, so I've just done dip, left. And toe. You see my toes? Toe. Yeah, because I'm short anyway, so I'll make sure to really go on my tiptoes, but make sure that you lift yourself up. I don't know if you watched that other video, Vimba, similar. Toes up, whoop, yeah, cool. So, with my arms now, my arms go dip, then they go cat. So, point, 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 whoop, point, 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 whoop. You don't need to point. You can do this like you're holding a drumstick or whatever, but as long as you have the essence of the boom, 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 dip, boom, 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 dip. And I'm gonna add my arms and my legs together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and whoop. 2, 3, 4, dip. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now let's try this all together with some music. The tutorial video, we had so much fun creating it, and I hope that you continue to support us always and forever. And make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, make sure to comment, and don't forget to follow us on our social platforms for more updates and everything else. See you soon.
Mario Zoua lokola fusée, Mario.